It's dead. I can't believe it's dead. Kayla, what are you talking about? AI is just not doing what it promised. My YouTube views, they're dead. They're non-existent. Okay, let's slow down. What exactly do you mean? Well, I've been using AI to do everything for my channel, but nothing is working. In fact, it's kind of doing the opposite. It's like a zombie walking around my YouTube channel. That's what it feels like. It never finds anything useful, and I just want engaging YouTube videos. I see. So what exactly is going to be the plan? I don't know. It's literally impossible to grow my channel. Okay, dramatic intro, I know. But on the plus side, I hope I got your attention, at least a little bit. Now, let me tell you something. A lot of creators, when they start YouTube, or even before they start YouTube, they are ready to give up. A lot of people believe that AI cannot help them when it comes to YouTube. And I was kind of on that train because I was like, AI is just killing YouTube, it's killing creativity. But that was until I found one tool that actually made a difference. And this is going to be a tool called TubeMagic. And trust me, it is game changing. Alright, I know I've been a little overdramatic in this video so far, but hear me out because AI is literally destroying YouTube channels as we speak. It's kind of like that one friend that says that they're really good at cooking, but then every time they make you something, they burn it. Every single time. And AI is everywhere now. And really, there is no way of avoiding it anymore unless you just don't want to go on any technology ever again. And everybody is specifically using it more so in the social media world to grow their channels. But here's the problem. Most people are using AI in the completely wrong way. But it is not necessarily their fault even, because I can't blame them. AI tools are popping up everywhere, claiming they're cracking YouTube's algorithm. Or even just take ChatGPT for an example. It says that it can help you do anything. But here's the problem. Most of these AI softwares do not understand YouTube's algorithm. Which, hey, it's kind of a given that if you want to grow a YouTube channel and you want an AI tool to help you, then chances are you kind of want that AI tool to understand YouTube's algorithm and understand what you need as a content creator. Different tools such as ChatGPT just generate generic formulas. And they're not basing anything off of audience behaviors, which we want. And something that I have learned with using something like ChatGPT is they generate things based off of trends that happened maybe even months ago, but they don't keep up to date on trends that are happening today. And worst of all, they optimize for keywords and not so much for engagement. And YouTube's algorithm doesn't just push videos with the quote-unquote perfect title, but it also prioritizes watch time, engagement, and retention rates. But different AI tools are just pumping out the same clickbaity, overused, nonsense content that doesn't actually get people to stick around and watch. So what exactly happens here? Well, creators trust these AI tools blindly and then they act surprised when their videos flop. And the problem isn't going to be AI itself, but it is going to be how different AI tools are built, because they are not adapting to YouTube's algorithm. They're not analyzing real performance data, they're just putting out words that sound good on paper. And that's why so many people are seeing their channels go nowhere. Let's talk about ChatGPT for a second. Because AI tools like ChatGPT are great for generating things like titles. But here's the thing, it's not built specifically for YouTube's algorithm. Sure, you can ask it for video ideas, titles, or even scripts, and it'll give you something that does sound decent, I'll give them that. But the problem with ChatGPT is it isn't gathering real-time data on YouTube's algorithm. And it is not understanding exactly what makes a video perform well within the platform, because their specialty isn't YouTube, let's be honest. It's pulling from a massive pool of general information rather than pulling from YouTube's analytics itself. It doesn't know what is currently getting high click-through rates, what's keeping viewers engaged, or what titles are getting people to click on videos. So I would like to say that it is useful for things like brainstorming, but relying on it alone to grow your YouTube channel, that is where people are going wrong. You need something that is designed for YouTube and something that understands the algorithm. And this is where a tool called TubeMagic really stands out for me, because it is built specifically for YouTube. Unlike other AI tools that just generate text that again, looks good on paper, TubeMagic understands what is actually getting clicks because it is analyzing YouTube's data. So the titles, for an example, that TubeMagic generates are designed to increase click-through rates, which is exactly what YouTube pushes. Not just saying titles are the only thing that it does, but it also does tags, descriptions, and even scripts. Okay, next up I'm going to be putting TubeMagic to a little bit of a test. I'm gonna take a random video idea. Let's say I had a cooking channel and I wanted a video on how to make a simple chicken stir-fry recipe. First, I used ChatGPT to generate a title, and this is the title it gave me. Easy chicken stir-fry recipe, quick and delicious. Which looks pretty decent, right? And here's the thing, the title sounds fine, but it is pretty generic. It is not particularly compelling, and it's probably overused in many other cooking videos. It doesn't really give me a reason that I really want to click on this video. Now, let me show you what TubeMagic can do with the exact same idea, and this is the title that it generated for me. Master this delicious chicken stir-fry recipe in minutes. Now, which one would you be more likely to click on? In my opinion, I would say the TubeMagic one. And that's because this title is more engaging, it is specific, and it taps into curiosity, which are all things that YouTube's algorithm loves. But it is not just all about the title either. TubeMagic also generates tags, descriptions, and even video scripts that are all optimized to get you more views, because they also have specific keywords that YouTube's algorithm is sure to love. For an example, let's say I wanted a description and tags for that video idea that I just came up with. I'm just gonna show you right now because I feel like that is easier, but I have TubeMagic opened up right now. Even better, let's say I wanted a script for that video. So I'm just gonna show you. First, we have our ideate and research section where you can come up with video ideas, community posts, video research, keyword research, and niche explorer. And then we have our scripting section, and then the upload and optimize section for titles, descriptions, and tags. So I need a video script, first and foremost. And I'm going to put in master this delicious chicken stir-fry recipe in minutes. And now it is going to give me a general script. You can also format the script in like a how-to format. I just quickly went through this, but are you ready to elevate your weeknight dinners with this quick and delicious chicken stir-fry? Ingredients overview, preparation steps. Wow, this is great. Honestly, I'm gonna use TubeMagic for my next recipe. And then cooking techniques, flavor enhancements. Wow, they even give you little enhancements you can do. And then serving suggestions and conclusion. There we go. I've got a script literally in just seconds, and I'm even learning how to cook. Perfect. Now, let's say we have that script, we filmed the video, and now we are ready to post that video. Well, all we need to do is we need to go over to video descriptions. I'm gonna put in the content. You could also just put in a link to your video unlisted, and it would generate a description based off of what you talk about in the video, which is pretty cool, but since I don't have the video, I'm just gonna put in the context. And then boom, unlock the secrets to a mouth-watering chicken stir-fry that can be prepared in just minutes. This video dives into essential techniques and tips for achieving tender, flavorful chicken combined with vibrant vegetables, blah, 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 chicken stir-fry, quick recipes, and it has all of the keywords that YouTube's algorithm is going to love. And then, now that we have our video description, we need our tags. We want people discovering our videos. So here we go. Paste that title right into there. And boom, tags, chicken stir-fry, quick stir-fry, easy chicken recipe, delicious dinner ideas, healthy stir-fry, cooking in minutes, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. You can change around any tags if you want, add some new ones, edit some of them. But I just love how much TubeMagic is specifically created for YouTube content creators, because ChatGPT isn't going to get this right. They're just going to be spitting out things that they have learned. So the description that TubeMagic generated for me isn't just a bunch of random words. It is designed for incorporating keywords within it. And it includes engaging phrases that is going to make the audience understand what the video is that they're watching and what they can expect within the video. And instead of guessing which kind of tags work, TubeMagic makes sure that the tags that it generates for you are relevant to your content, but also optimized for discovery. Now, here's the key difference that I would like to point out. Using tools like ChatGPT will pump out some ideas, but they do not consider things like watch time or click-through rate. But TubeMagic, on the other hand, does, and it generates things based off of the algorithm. And it helps you create content that isn't just good, but it is also optimized for growth. Now, I'm just gonna play around a little bit, and I wanna go into the niche explorer. And this is something that's really cool, because you can check out how these different niches are doing and what the RPMs are approximately, so you can see which ones are making the most money, which niche do you want to jump into. This is so cool. And then it also gives you example channels, which is awesome. So let's just say, for an example, I wanted to create within the wealth niche, and I wanted to make a luxury video. Now here I've got an example channel, Mr. Luxury. So something that I'm gonna do is I'm going to remember that channel, Mr. Luxury. I'm making a luxury channel, and I wanna come up with video ideas. And here is where I'm going to plug in a channel handle. So I'm going to take @Mr. Luxury, copy that, bring it back on over, paste it into there, and now it is analyzing that channel and generating me video ideas based on that channel. And then something that I love is that you can generate a script directly from the video idea that it generated. Let's say I didn't like that one, generate again. You can play around as long as you'd like with this inside the world of ultra luxury aviation, jets beyond your wildest dreams. And then you could also use this title because it is an optimized title, or you could bring this title back on over to the optimized section and plug it into the video titles and create more titles, whatever you like. But creating content is just that much easier when you have a tool like TubeMagic. And when it comes for me making videos with my channel, Kaylas Cash, I use it every time I create a video now, especially when it comes to the uploading part of my videos, because let's be honest, who wants to be doing keyword research? It's not that fun, at least for me. Maybe it is for some of you, I don't know. But I figure, why waste my time in the content creation process coming up with tags when I could be focusing on the content itself? And why waste time coming up with video ideas when I could be focusing on how to make that video idea more engaging and how I can bring my video scripts to life? With all of that being said, TubeMagic is not built like other AI tools because it is built specifically for YouTube and it favors content creators. I'm gonna break down exactly why it stands out for a little recap. First off, it analyzes current trends on YouTube, which just means it uses real performance data to come up with titles, tags, and descriptions, and scripts and video ideas. It doesn't just spit out random suggestions for you. It helps you create optimized content based on what is working right now. Next up, it is optimized for YouTube's algorithm. While most tools focus on things like keywords, TubeMagic understands what YouTube actually cares about, which is click-through rates, audience retention, and engagement. For an example, it generates titles that are designed for people to click on your videos, but then on the other hand, it also generates scripts that keep people engaged throughout the video after they click. Next up, TubeMagic is very customizable for your niche. You don't have to be within one specific niche to use this tool. It adapts to your specific channel needs, whether your needs is learning about beauty or gaming or cooking or technology or luxury. It gives you the flexibility to create content that is going to resonate with your audience no matter the niche. And lastly, it is efficient and time saving. I mean, look at that. I came up with a video idea, I made a video script, I came up with titles, tags, and descriptions for my video literally in just minutes, which would have taken way back in the dinosaur ages, that would have taken hours to do because you would have had to sit down, analyze all of the YouTube videos that are doing well within specific niches. You would have had to search up high performing YouTube channels on your own. Instead, TubeMagic has it all in one place for you. You don't have to be sitting there thinking, shoot, what video idea am I going to go with? What niche am I going to go with? What am I going to title this video? It takes all that stress away. I cannot stress enough how much this tool has helped me, and I hope it can help you guys as well. And if you're interested, make sure to sign up for TubeMagic in the link in the description. We put together a free trial for you guys. You won't want to miss it. And also, make sure to check out this free training for making money with AI with a YouTube channel, because we don't want AI ruining anybody's channels. We want it to be something that can help us. Make sure to check it out, or check this one out, or both of them. I don't care, which I kind of do care. Make sure to check it out, or this one out, or both of them, or none of them. I don't know. But hopefully we'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Bye.